Hi friends, welcome to Kids Educational Zone by Dr. Arpita. Today we'll be talking about nursery syllabus which is common to all boards of India. Basically all state boards, CBSE, ICSE, Cambridge, IB board, etc. There is not much of writing as a child is still learning to develop his pincer grasp. Basically pincer grasp is his pencil holding capacity. The main aim of the teachers in nursery is to teach the kids in a playful manner with various activities like coloring, painting, dabbing, sticking, taking them on various field trips, storytelling, picture reading, rhymes, celebrating various festivals, collage making, puppet making, making cards, etc. So let's get started. The nursery syllabus is divided into four basic sections. First is the language section, then we have the maths, then we have general awareness, and then the environmental science. Let's start with the language first. So in language, basically they start with pre-writing strokes. So initially they teach the kids to draw standing line, slipping line, left slanting line, right slanting line, up curve, down curve. So initially even at home you can start, you can ask the kids to scribble and doodle. Use jumbo colors for that and not pencil because their grip is still very weak. So you can use jumbo colors. Ask the kid to scribble on a piece of paper. Then we have capital letters from A to Z. In that we have identification. Writing is still not there. Tracing objects related to each letter. While teaching, even at home, what you can do is start with alphabets having straight lines first. So basically sleeping and standing lines, since I've already learned before. The alphabets like E, F, H, I, L and T. You can teach these alphabets first. Then later on, once these alphabets are mastered, you can start with the alphabets having slanting line like A, K, M, N, V, W, X, Y and Z. Then you can start with other alphabets having curves like the alphabet B, C, D, G, S, J, U, O, P, R, Q. The next thing which the kid is taught in nursery is the basic sentence structure, basic one line sentences like I am a girl or a boy, I am studying in nursery, I am 3 years old, my school's name is so and so. Then general vocabulary building is given for them. Basic concepts of family, home, father, mother, sister, brother, grandfather, grandmother, son, daughter, etc. And whether they have a big family or a small family. Next we have pre-maths and maths concept. So basically numbers from 1 to 20 are taught in nursery. So tracing, identification, number and small value, sequencing from 1 to 20 and basic worksheets are given to them. So on them they are basically asked to count and color, count and match, count and circle the numbers. Then the next is the pre-maths concept like opposites. So how big is the object? Big and small, tall and short, heavy and light, up and down, empty and full, more or less, or it can be one or many, far and near, basically all the opposites, in and out, same and different, and front and back. They also teach shapes. So basic shapes like circle, square, rectangle, triangle, oval, heart and star. Then we have general awareness topics like colors. Basic colors are taught to them. So red, yellow, blue, orange, green, purple, black, white and pink. They are asked to identify these colors. Then we have myself. So basically myself, my body parts, my family, my home, my school. Then they are also taught about seasons, basic vocabulary words regarding seasons. Summer season, rainy season and winter season. Then they are taught vehicles, both on the road, air and as well as water. Then they are taught fruits and vegetables. They are also taught about animals, wild animals and domestic animals. The fourth part is the environmental science part. So in this they are taught about good eating habits, differentiation between healthy and junk food, saying no to junk food basically, road safety and traffic rules, importance of greenery, planting trees, using the words please, thank you and sorry, good health and hygiene, importance of animals and respecting and protecting them, differences between living and non-living things, self-grooming, use of dustbins, cleanliness, basically cleanliness part. Then we have the basic things. They also ask the parents to teach various things, like basically through storytelling, picture reading, like show and tell, rhyme recitation, general awareness conversations, one full sentence conversations. Like when you ask the question, what is your name, the child should be able to answer in full line, my name is Arohi, so and so. Then the parents can also engage their kids in various educational games like puzzles. Then they can ask the kids to do various art and craft activities, dough and clay modeling, etc. So this was the general overview of the syllabus, of the nursery syllabus. Thank you. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up.